You can easily change out events owners from within Google Calendar. For example, I have this test event right here, and if I want to change its owner, then all you have to do is click here and then click over here on the options, and over here you can see change owner is an option. You can go around over here and select the new owner. You can even leave a message right here and click on change owner, and then the other person will be notified that they are now owner of an event. You can also create a new event right here and say event 2, just like this. And then now you can save this, and then what you can do is you can go to option, change owner, and select the second owner, change it out. So what you can do is that the other owner won't be notified on their Google Calendar, but in their Gmail account right here. So I'm going to access the mail from the other account who I made the owner to, and then what happens is that the other person will get an event invitation like this, like a test event. So you can see that TutorTube channel has transferred the ownership of test event to you. So I have to click on this event in order to accept this. And once I click on it, what happens is that it opens up Google Calendar, and then the test event is here. So you can see that it is right there, and I'm the owner of the event now. Similarly, I can go around over here onto the other event, click on this link, and I will be owner of this event as well. So this is what you have. That's event 2, and there you go. This is what you have. And that is how you can change event owner inside of Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.